You can just roast these whole because they're only very small peppers. So I'm just going to pop these whole into a pan. I think that'll do for the moment. We're just spreading them out. We need to roast them until we get a bit of a char on them. So we don't need any oil. I'll just pop that over the top. Then I'm going to set it on 200 for about 15 minutes. And we'll see how they get on. As we're cooking these peppers, I'm going to keep giving them a turn so we can get an even cook all round. You can see that one is now starting to char a little bit, which is what we need. We'll make sure we get all these turned, ideally with something other than my fingers because they are a bit hot. Then we'll carry on cooking them. We've had these cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes and you can see that skin is now shriveled up, so it's going to be loose if we want to remove it. But what we need to do first is steam them. So I'm just going to pop them into this bowl. They smell amazing already. Then I'm going to cover it with cling film. And we'll leave these until they've cooled down, and at the same time they're steaming and softening. These have been steaming for about 10 or 15 minutes now, so we'll see how they look. They're definitely nice and soft. They're not 100% cooled down, but we can start and take off that skin. You don't have to get all that skin off if you don't want to. It's up to you. Once they've steamed a while, it does come off quite easily. So I'm just going to cut these in half because I want to get the seeds out at the middle. So I'll just cut against that core. And that way we're just left with that piece of pepper. And that's basically what we're after. Nice little slithers of roasted pepper. So we'll get rest done and then I'll get back to you. So that's all those peppers done. Now we'll flavour them. I'm going to add a bit of salt to them. And a couple of tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Then about the same olive oil. I'm also going to add a sprinkle of sugar to mine. This is optional, but I like to sweeten them up when they're green peppers. And about a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. And then we'll get all that mixed together. Make sure everything is nicely coated. This is going to add lots of flavour to these peppers. And we've had a jar that we put in boiling water for a few minutes, so that is now sterilised. And then we'll add these peppers to that jar. And we'll also add what's left of that flavouring. And I'm just going to poke these down a little bit just to make sure there's no air bubbles in there. And then I'm going to add more olive oil. Just until those peppers are covered. As you let this stand, those peppers are going to flavour that olive oil as well. And all we need to do is pop his lid on. Make sure that's nice and tight. And now those peppers that would have probably started to shrivel up within a week are now going to last in your fridge for about a month.